as soon as the case was filed, the Attorney General filed his response. He filed his affidavit in opposition. So the case was ripe for hearing. We were going to go on Easter break, and the Attorney General wrote and said, this is a matter of governance. So could the court issue hearing notice for the case to be heard? And the court was going to sit on the Wednesday. And so hearing notices were issued so that the applicant who filed the case himself and who should be interested in his case himself will come to court. And all the different, the two other respondents will also come to court. So the bailiff went and served all of them with hearing notices. And when the court sat on that Wednesday, it formed part of our list, because hearing notices had been served on everybody, and the respondents had filed their affidavits in opposition. At least the Attorney General had. So when the case was called, the affidavits of service were on the docket. We knew that the applicant had been served, Speaker had been served, Attorney General had been served, Speaker's lawyer was in court, Attorney General was in court, Attorney General had filed his affidavit in opposition, so nothing should stop the hearing. It gave the impression that the applicant was not interested in being served. So I called for the bailiff and put him in the box and said, did you swear to this? Read it to everybody. He read it to everybody, allowed the lawyers to question him on his affidavit, and they were all satisfied that there was service. Then the next question was, Speaker, you haven't filed an affidavit in opposition. What is your position? And the records of the court are available. Speakers had an objection to the application and asked that they should be dismissed. And the Attorney General asked that they should be dismissed. And so we dealt with the application on its merit and ruled on it. So I have spoken to the generality of the arrangement. Now, if you have been going to the Supreme Court covering proceedings, you will discover that we hardly adjourn cases now because of this. It's working well. By the time we sit, virtually every process that has been fixed for a date, for that day, will be dealt with.